Every factory generates energy data. But data alone doesn't drive better decisions. Energy, thermal monitoring, electrical protection, and greenhouse gas reporting often exist in separate systems, creating disconnected information. SAMVIT EnergyIQ brings everything together. It collects data, connects devices, applies AI-powered analytics, and transforms raw information into actionable intelligence. Monitor power quality, thermal safety, panel protection, and sustainability metrics from one intelligent dashboard in real time. Integrated with Odoo ERP, SAMVIT automatically links energy consumption with production activities, giving every production order complete energy visibility. Production data, energy usage, operating costs, and performance records are synchronized automatically, eliminating manual data entry and improving operational accuracy. The result is lower energy costs, earlier thermal warnings, faster fault isolation, and measurable returns on investment. SAMVIT EnergyIQ and Odoo, turning energy data into production intelligence, powered by Aliter Business Solutions.